Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I am going to do a complete review of the Buzz TV X5 Android TV box. And guys, I've been looking forward to doing this review for some time now as I got my hands on this last week if you saw the YouTube short that I posted on my channel. So in this video, guys, I'm going to do a complete unboxing, give you my first thoughts out of the box, and then also plug it in and just run it from the complete start and give you a complete setup of everything you need to know about the Buzz TV X5. All right, guys, so here's everything straight out of the box for the Buzz TV X5 Android TV box. So right away, I'm always impressed with the Buzz TV devices in terms of their appearance. And right away, I notice it has two USB ports. So let's say you wanted to use a USB port for more external storage. That's one use case. You can use another one to get Ethernet connection for faster download speeds. But it does come with 64 gigabits of internal storage already, which is a lot. Just a nice bonus feature with those two external USB ports. So moving on to the remote, I always enjoy the Buzz TV remotes as they are optimized for live TV playback and streaming. Just very easy to use, very simple design, and it does come with two AAA batteries as well, so you can get up and running in no time without the hassle of getting batteries. It does come with an HDMI cable, which is nice. Some devices do not come with an HDMI cable, so again, you can just get up and running here quickly. Here's the power cord, powered by USB. And then it also comes with the power adapter, obviously to its own BuzzDB custom power adapter. But that's it, guys. Just a quick first look, my first thoughts, straight unboxing this Buzz TV X5 Android TV box. And I'm excited to plug this in and let me show you guys how to set this up from start to finish. Now, guys, before plugging in my Buzz TV X5 Android TV box into my TV, I first want to let you guys know of how to purchase this from the official Buzz TV website if you are interested. You'll see I am on the product page here for the Buzz TV X5 64 gigabits of internal storage. I do have a special discount link for the Buzz TV X5 and also any Buzz TV box that you can purchase on their website. You can find my special discount link below this video that does to help support myself and this channel, providing you guys with these free videos and reviews. So when comparing the Buzz TV X5 to some of their other popular devices, you'll see I am filtered by best selling on Buzz TV's website. And guys, again, you can access this by clicking the link below my video to explore all the different options Buzz TV has. But the Buzz TV X5 64 gigabit, which is the device I'm reviewing right here, is one of their top sellers. Now you'll see right next to it is the Buzz TV 128 gigabit. So just the same device with double the storage, which isn't really needed in my opinion, as 64 gigabits is quite a lot of internal storage. But yeah, guys, just wanted to show you how to purchase the Buzz TV X5. And now I'm going to plug this into my TV and follow along with me as I go through the setup process. All right, guys, so I just plugged in my Buzz TV X5 Android TV box, and you'll see right away it is starting to boot up. So the first thing you're going to have to do is just give it a minute or two while everything just boots up and takes you to the setup process. So now I am on the setup process for my Buzz TV X5 streaming device. And right here it says pair your Bluetooth remote. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply follow the instructions. It says to pair your remote, keep it within 3 feet of your device, press OK and home buttons until the remote LED flashes red. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, and now it says connected. And now it's going to take me to the language menu. So I'm going to click English here. Then it's going to ask for your time zone, and I am located in the central time zone. So I'm going to scroll down and find an option where it says central here. All right, so I'm going to click Central Daylight Time. So I'm just going to click this first option here, which is 1080p at 60 Hz, which just means 60 Hertz. This is just a typical dimension that you see on a lot of monitors for resolution. I'm going to go ahead and click this first one here. Then it's going to ask for screen size. I'm just going to click Zoom in. And I'm going to click done. And then it's going to ask me to continue to Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to click continue to Wi-Fi network. And as it searches for my networks here, you're going to have to give it a couple seconds. And here's my Google Fiber network. So I'm going to click that. And now I'm going to enter my login credentials. And I'm going to fast forward after I've completed this process. All right, so after I've connected to my Wi-Fi network, it says connected successfully. So one of the first things that it's going to do is it's going to prompt a system update. So in the background, what it is doing as I access my Buzz TV user interface for the first time is it's installing all of these different updates. It's now installing VLC Player, as you can see right here, installing some applications. And long story short, guys, you're just going to have to give it a couple minutes or so while this is installing updates and everything else in the background for the first time. So I'm going to skip ahead after all of these updates and whatnot are complete. All right, guys, so after my updates and whatnot are complete, I am now on the Buzz TV X5 home screen. And right away, as you'll see, I am on Android TV operating system. And this is probably my favorite operating system out of all streaming devices compared to Fire TV, Roku, and also stock Android like you see on Android phones and tablets. Also up here, we have specific options for live TV, VOD, PVR, EPG. Now, I do not have a service integrated, obviously, within Buzz TV, but one of the best parts about these Buzz TV boxes is it is optimized for an enhanced live TV streaming experiences. So if I come in here and click live TV, you'll see I have all sorts of options to input a service via M3U, Extreme Codes API, and also Mac Server. So this makes it extremely efficient here with a Buzz TV box versus installing a third-party live TV application and then inputting credentials that way. That's what I love about Buzz TV is if you really love live TV streaming and that is a huge priority for you, Buzz TV should be the first place you should look for that. So guys, just like anytime I set up a new streaming device, the first thing I like to do is I like to come to settings. And right here, there's an option for updates. So I'm going to click updates. And right here, I'm going to click check for update. And the reason I am doing this is I want to ensure that I have all of the latest system updates installed before using this device. And it says last successful check October 14th, 2023, which is the date of this recording. So I am good to go. It says you are running the latest firmware on your X5 64AX-C. So now that I am updated to the latest software, the next step that I want to do is enable developer options. So to do that on this Buzz TV device, I'm going to hit settings, and then I'm going to scroll down and click device preferences. And then I want to scroll down and I want to click about. After I click about, you're going to scroll down and you'll see all of these different options here. But what I want to do is hover over Android TV OS build. Once you're hovered over this, simply click this about 7 times and you'll notice this message here. And once I do it 7 times, it says you are now a developer. So click this as many times until you see the option that says you are now a developer. So I've now enabled unknown sources on my Buzz TV X5. Another great, thing about Buzz TV devices is if I go back into the main settings page, I scroll down, you'll notice this option that says Buzz TV settings, Buzz TV utilities. So if I click that, Buzz TV has all of these custom settings that you would not see on NVIDIA Shield, a Chromecast with Google TV, a Walmart ON streaming device, or any other Android TV devices. This is completely different. So you'll see I have weather settings. I can change the background screen if I want. So if I click home screen, there's all these different options here. There's 4 different options to change home screen. So I'm on Buzz TV Modern right now, but let's say I want to change to, the classic Buzz TV. If I click that, this changes the user interface to the classic Buzz TV interface. And if I want to change this back, I'd simply click settings. I'd come into utilities, home screen, and I can change this back to whatever I want. So if I want to test these other ones, this is a cool looking interface as well. But you guys get the point here is that you can simply change your interface, which is a custom setting of Buzz TV devices. So I'm going to go back to the first one that we were on to make this easy. Now, guys, the next thing I would suggest you do with your brand new Buzz TV X5 streaming device is I would suggest that you sign in to your Google account. So to do that, come over to settings, and then you want to scroll down and click accounts and sign in. So I'm going to click that. And then you simply click Google here for account type, and then wait a few seconds while it is directing you to the login page for your Google account. All right, I'm going to enter my login credentials for my Google account, and then I'm going to come back and fast forward after I've completed this. All right, so you'll see I am signed in to my Gmail account with iptvwire@gmail.com. So I am signed into my Google account. Now, the benefit of doing this is I can come inside the Google Play Store now, and now I can install applications from the Google Play Store. So one of the most popular applications that is inside the Google Play Store is the Downloader application. So to install the Downloader application, just come up here to search, go ahead and click the search box here, and I'm going to type in Downloader. Again, this remote is a little sensitive here, so I'm going to click back, and then I'm going to type in Downloader. And I click search, and you'll see Downloader as the orange icon here developed by AFTV News. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click install and then wait a few seconds while the Downloader app is being installed on your Buzz TV device. All right, so the Downloader app has installed. I'm going to click the home button on my remote, and I'm going to click this plus icon here on my home screen. And now this will, bring up your apps list. So you'll see Downloader is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply hold down the OK button on Downloader, and it's going to ask me to add it to the favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I accidentally added it really quickly here, but I'm going to click yes, add to home screen favorites. So now I'm going to click the home button on my remote, and you'll see Downloader now is in my favorites. All right, guys, that's it. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and setup guide of the Buzz TV X5 Android TV box. Again, if you do care about your live TV streaming experience and want a premium streaming device, look no further than Buzz TV boxes. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below if there are any other devices you guys want me to review in the future. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.